Hello everyone, welcome to the channel UMathsTube. We are going to solve two word problems today. Let us start with the first problem. Problem 1. I am a number. If I am multiplied by 7, added 18 and subtracted 6, I become 89. Who am I? Let I am the number x. Now 7 times x is 7x. Since I need to be multiplied by 7, so I become 7x plus 18 because added 18 and subtracted 6 means minus 6, and then I become 89 means equals 89. So 18 minus 6 is 12 here, and if we take 12 to the other side, it becomes negative 12 minus 12. So we get 7x equal 77. So x equals 77 divided by 7, and we get the value of x as 11. So I am the number 11. This is the end of problem 1. Let us move to the problem 2. Problem 2 is, on a farm there are 6 times as many sheep as there are horses, and 9 more cows than horses. So if we have some horses on the farm, there will be 6 times sheep than the horses, and if we have some horses on the farm, there will be 9 more cows than those horses. So if there are 18 sheep on the farm, how many cows are there? So let the number of horses is x, so the number of sheep will be 6x because there are 6 times as many sheep as there are horses, and the number of cows will be x plus 9 because there are 9 more cows than horses. But in the question it is given that there are 18 sheep on the farm, so the number of sheep here is 6x, so this 6x equals 18. So we get 6x equal 18. So from here we get x equals 18 divided by 6, and we get x equals 3. So we get the value of x, which means the number of horses is x, and the number of horses is 3, since the value of x is 3. Therefore the number of cows will be x plus 9. So if we put the value of x here, we get 3 plus 9 equals 12. So the number of cows on the farm is 12. So this is the end of problem 2. Thanks for watching the video. We'll see in the next video with another problems. Thank you.